Hello, Namaste Yogis, Melyssa here from Mystical Stone, and welcome to your day 20 of our 30-day journey. And today I have a pranayama for you, Anuloma Viloma or Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril. This breathing technique will help you with headaches and migraines. It also balances the two hemispheres of the brain so you can tap into your creative side, but also your logical side. Anulom Vilom will also help you to focus and concentrate. And it is a wonderful technique to balance the energies in your body. Your solar channel on the right side, your Pingala nadi, and your lunar energy, which runs through the left side, which is the channel is known as Ida nadi. We're going to talk a little more about the nadis in a moment, but just know that this breathing technique can help you to tone the nervous system and help you with any chronic pain that you might be having due to stress. All right? So we're going to find a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a pillow, on a blanket. You can sit on a chair. It really doesn't matter as long as your spine is neutral. That's the most important thing because we want the spine to be upright so that prana can travel freely through your nadis. So bring your right hand in front of your face, palm facing you, and hold your elbow with your left hand. Bring your arms close to your body so that the weight of your arms are not pushing you forward. Now from here, you're gonna close your hands into a fist and keep your thumb outside, and then extend your pinky and your ring finger. So if this is painful for you or you have arthritis on your hands or carpal tunnel problem and this is giving you a big stretch or it doesn't feel right, you can curl the ring finger in and work with the pinky, but for some people that won't work either. So soften your fingers, curl the three fingers in from the pinky to the middle finger and work with your thumb and with your index. So it doesn't matter, just make sure that whatever you choose, it's suitable for your body today, all right? So once you're ready, you're gonna bring your arms against your body, choose the mudra that will work for you. This is known as Vishnu mudra, by the way. Slightly tuck your chin onto your chest, elongating the spine. We're gonna take a few moments here, balance the weight evenly on left and right, and inhale through your nostrils, and exhale through your nostrils. We'll take 2 more breaths like this. Expand, and release. Inhale, expand. And exhale, release. On your next inhalation, you're gonna gently bring your thumb against your right nostril and gently exhale through the left. Inhale through your left nostril. Close with your free finger, whichever is that you're using. Release your thumb and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril. Close with your thumb and exhale left. Inhale through your left nostril. Gently close your left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Close with your thumb, open left and exhale. Inhale through left nostril. Close left, open right, exhale. Inhale through right. Close, exhale left. Inhale left. Close, exhale right. Now we're gonna count to 4 as we inhale. Close,
and 4 as we exhale. Inhale left, counting 4. Close, count 4, exhale right. Find your rhythm. If you are comfortable with this breathing pattern, the next time you inhale through your right nostril, close and see if you can hold 4 counts as you retain the breath for Kumbaka. If you have high blood pressure, heart condition, or you are pregnant, or even if you have eye pressure or a headache, don't hold the breath. Continue to count 4 as you inhale and 4 as you exhale. Otherwise, 4 counts as we hold. One last breath like this. We started exhaling through the left, so we inhale left, switch, and exhale right. Then release your hands, wiggle your fingers, relax your shoulders back and down, observe. And just really pay attention to your energy. You're helping to balance the 2 energies within you. The right side being your Pingala nadi, your solar energy. Here where you'll get a boost of energy. This energy also helps you to take decisions. It's a sharp kind of energy, warm, and it can also help you just to get that extra drive that you need. That stamina to get things done. The other side, the Ida Nadi or the lunar side, it's a cooling energy that helps you to just relax, slow down. So we don't want too much of either or. We want that center, that happy middle. And this pranayama can help us with that. When you're ready, bring your hands together at the center of the heart to join both energies. We're going to seal our practice with our metta mantra. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live in peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live in peace. May all be happy. May all be healthy. May all be safe. May all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand. And through your nostrils, exhale. Inhale to Om. Om. Tuck your chin onto your chest. Open your eyes. Gaze forward. Shower yourself with your own good vibes, and then remember to shake off all tensions and stresses that you don't need anymore. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, yogis. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. If you are ready to get serious about your yoga practice, remember to check out my online yoga studio, link in the description. Also, press the like button before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much for being part of this mystical community. Namaste.